and Nicole Weston. I was so taken by those fellas. You've seen this before. You know how it goes. Under one of those umbrellas is $10,000. Under all the rest is a whole lot of water. Okay? So head over there so we can put mics on you, and I'll show you how it works. I am going to ask you questions about summer movies, and you're just gonna, if you know the answer, you're gonna grab that water bottle and then give me the answer. And if you answer incorrectly, your opponent can steal. So hands behind your backs, and every time you get one right, you get a chance to pull and more chances to win that $10,000, okay? Here we go. Last summer, Pixar released Finding Dory. I was holding for a pause. But But this summer, they're releasing Cars 3. What are the names of the two prequels to Cars 3?
Cars and Cars 2.
Sure, yes. Easy questions, it's just a matter of, all right, so find one that you feel the money is under, stand directly under it as soon as you... Directly under it, and pull.
Do it, girl.
Under that one. Okay. So.
You're good, girl.
All right. Nice and refreshing, right? Isn't that nice?
Okay.
Yes. So the money was not under that one. Here we go. Hands behind your backs. If you're looking for a good horror film to make sure and check out Annabelle 2. What's the name of my producer I love to scare?
Oh, Andy!
Yes, yes. All right. Yeah, you can go anywhere. Whatever you feel, you can go anywhere.
Oh, no.
All right. Now, Ireland, you're not getting wet, but you're not getting chances to win the money either. So you should try to answer some. All right, hands behind your backs. Believe it or not, Wonder Woman is not a documentary about my life. It's a movie starring Gal Gadot. Who does Gal Gadot play in Wonder Woman?
Wonder Woman?
That's right. Yeah.
I'm feeling this guy.
All right.
Oh, my God.
Okay. Okay.
All right, good. Both of you are wet now. The Emoji Movie comes out this August, and I released my own emojis last August. What is your favorite emoji?
Sorry. Puppy!
Sure, puppy.
Okay, come on, girl.
So there's 2 left.
Oh my gosh.
Only 2 left.
It's okay.
All right. Despicable Me 3 is expected to be one of the biggest animated movies of the year. What was the biggest, bestest animated movie last year about a
Finding
fish?
Dory. Oh, I'm so
That's
sorry.
right.
Okay. Okay. Oh, man.
Come on!
TCL Roku TV. All right, right, let me tell you how this works. Hidden somewhere under one of those umbrellas is $100,000 cash. It's the biggest cash prize we've ever given away. Unfortunately, under all the other ones, a lot of water, whole lot of water. Today's questions are about game shows. One additional rule: before you pull each umbrella, you must yell, "Ellen, make it rain," purely for my own enjoyment. Hands behind your backs. Jay-Z and Beyonce recently dropped a music video called Family Feud. What show coined the phrase "survey says"?
Oh, sorry, guys. Price is Right.
Nope.
Family Feud.
Yeah.
That's right. All right, pick an umbrella. All right, hold on. We're gonna take a break and we're gonna come back and we're gonna see if that's it. So that's the one you picked, right?
Yes.
You're the first one up. Let's see if you're lucky enough to get it on the first one.
Make it rain.
All right. Okay, Joyce. I did. I made it rain. Thank you for saying that. All right, hands behind your backs. Okay, in the old days, if you wanted to fall in love, you had to go on the dating game. Now, what app tells you to get a date just by swiping right?
Twinder?
What?
Twin.
Oh, Tinder. No.
Tinder! Yes, Tinder. All right.
Oh God! Come on!
Twinder is different.
Oh, Ellen, please!
All right, Joyce, say it.
Make it rain!
All right. You can't be demure. You just let her have that.
I know.
Fight for it. Okay. Make It Rain is one of my many games we play on Ellen's Game of Games. Name one other game we play.
No order. Hot heads. Hot hands.
Yes, hot hands. Yes, hot hands. Bethany, say the phrase.
Well, Ellen, make it rain.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. All right. Hands behind your backs.
Okay.
I used to be the center square on Hollywood Squares. How many sides does a square have?
4.
Yes, 4 is right. All right, Allie. Say the phrase.
Ellen, make it rain.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Hands behind your backs. Jane Lynch hosts Hollywood Game Night. What state is Los Angeles in?
California.
Sure. All right.
I'm ready for it, Ellen.
Say it.
Ellen, make it rain.
You got $100,000 and you didn't even have to get wet.
I
That's
know.
amazing. All right. That's fantastic. What are you going to do with this?
I have 2 kids at home, and this is just gonna do so much good for them. They're, really little, and it's hard to live out here in California. It's gonna put them in a good home, and I just want to, go on a vacation. I haven't taken a vacation for 3 years. I've
That's
been nursing
fantastic.
children forever.
All right.
I'm
Well,
so
congratulations.
excited.
You're not going home empty-handed. Each of you is getting $1,000. All right. All right. Where is Hadeza and Aiza? Hi. Woo! Who's who?
I'm Hadeza.
With
an H, with an H.
You're Hadeza, and you're Aziza.
I'm Aziza, hi.
All right. You're going to get wet, so you might want to take the shoes off because those look like nice shoes. Everything looks nice, but the shoes will get wet. Because what happens is there's $5,000 cash under one of those umbrellas, and the rest is water. So, but you have to win the right to. You want as many pulls as possible. So every time you get a question right, you get to. A chance. All right, go. They're going to mic you and take your shoes off over there, and we'll start.
Okay.
All right, so you're going to have your hands behind your back. I'm going to ask a question. First person to grab the water bottle and then answer the question correctly gets a chance to then go over and pull one of those. And you get one every single time you get a question right, okay? So you want to get as many right as possible.
Okay.
And make sure that you have the answer right because your opponent can steal. All right, hands behind your back. Fuller House is based off of what popular sitcom?
Wait, what? Full House?
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Wait, I can pull one. I can pull
pick one. Just stand right under it and just pull that down.
Oh my gosh, please.
All right. I told you there's water under.
Okay.
All right. All right. Hands behind your back. Your little sister is in the audience today. Who does she like more?
Me!
All right.
Aziza!
All right. All right.
Wait, I can do another one.
Any one you want. Yes, obviously not the same one. You can go anywhere you want.
Oh God. Okay, I'll do this one.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Hold on. I'm so terribly sorry. I just remembered I hit another $5,000 under another. So now let's go back to the game. All right, now you can keep playing because there's another $5,000.
Oh my gosh.
There's still water under others. What is the name of the adorable forgetful fish that reunited with this?
Dory!
Yeah. Yes.
Dory!
Yes.
Dory!
Yes. Yes.
Dory!
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Oh my
Easy,
God.
you gotta
I
get.
can do another one. Okay.
Yes, do another one. She has quick reflexes.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Okay, Ellen, please!
What?
Direct me to the right umbrella.
I don't know where they are. That would be cheating. I have no idea. All right, here we go. The planet most similar to Earth is Venus. What is Serena Williams' sister's name?
Venus.
Venus!
Venus Williams.
Yes.
Williams?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, pick the right one. Pick the right one.
Oh my gosh. Hold on.
Hold on. I am terribly sorry. I forgot. There's another $5,000. Let's. All right, we'll take a break and then we'll play after this. We're back with Aziza and Hadeza, and we're going to continue to play because there's another $5,000. I completely forgot. All right, and again, there's more water as well. All right, here we go. Hands behind your back. You're both big sisters. Solange, big sister, just performed at the Grammys. What's her name?
Beyonce.
That's right. All right.
Oh gosh, please, Lord.
$15,000, and I just remembered there's 5,000. One more. Just one more. I know, just one more, and it's not fair that your sister's not wet anyway. So let's. All right, let's play some more. Okay. I love the show, the ABC show Modern Family. What is the last letter of the alphabet?
Z.
Uh-huh. All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Are we good?
All right. No more questions. Just you. You have to decide. Pull another one.
Me?
It's either one. All right. That is $20,000. Here's the thing. We know a little bit about you. We know that you have multiple jobs to pay off your debt, and we know that you have spent $6,000 applying to grad schools. So that was $20,000. Our friends at Shutterfly want to pay off your debt and help you share life stories. So you're getting $25,000. I want to thank Kate Hudson. Have a wonderful weekend. All right, where are Alice Vasquez and Tina Bowe? Hi. Are you Trina?
I'm Trina.
Hi, Trina.
I'm Alice.
Hi, Alice. Okay. All right. Stand over there. I'll tell you exactly what's going to happen. Okay. All right. So here's what we're going to do, okay? Hidden somewhere under one of those umbrellas is $10,000 cash. Unfortunately, under all of the other ones is a lot of water. You will stand over there. I'm going to give you a question. And as soon as you know the answer, you're going to grab that water bottle. And don't answer until you grab the water bottle, because your opponent can steal if it's wrong. And every time you get a correct answer, you get a chance to pull one of those, okay? Could be money, could be wet. All right. Today's questions are all from 2017 California bar exam. I may or may not be joking. All right. Face the water, hands behind your backs. All right. Totes is not only sponsoring this game, but it's also the first half of the popular phrase, totes my goats. What do you call a baby goat?
Lamb.
Okay, no, take that back.
A baby lamb?
Nope. It's called a kid. Yeah, kid. All right, hands behind your backs. The movie, It, is about Pennywise the dancing clown, but let's see how wise you are. Finish the sentence. A penny saved is a...
Afraid.
I'm sorry?
Penny
Penny saved.
saved the
Okay.
kids.
Alice, do you know?
A penny earned.
That is right, Alice. Wait, put that back. And stand directly under whichever one you choose. You can go anywhere you want, whatever you feel. Where's the money?
Oh, God.
Okay. Good luck. Nope, wasn't under that one. You were made a wrong choice. All right, here we go. Hands behind your back. Apple recently announced that the iPhone X will sell for $999. If my Ellen pencils cost $1, how many pencils could you buy for the same price as the iPhone X?
$999.
That's right, before tax.
Yeah.
All right. Pick
Oh,
one.
oh.
Pick whatever one you want. Stand directly under it.
Ah.
All right, good luck. I don't know if getting lower is going to help. It's still, the water will still reach you. Okay. All right. Hands behind your backs. We all know the old Taylor can't come to the phone right now because she's dead. Other than dying, give me one good reason why someone can't come to the phone.
They're working.
Yes, they're working somewhere without a phone. All right, pick one. Good luck. Nope.
Oh my gosh.
Nope. All right, here we go. Hands behind your backs. Well, we're getting closer to the $10,000, so that's exciting. It's my 15th season, holding for applause. Thank you. What seasoning do you commonly see around the rim of a margarita glass?
Salt.
That is right. Come on, Alice.
Good choice. Now I have to hold my own.
Trina, you could have moved. You didn't need to stay there.
Taking put together.
Oh boy. Okay, here we go. Hands behind your backs. Kingsman, the Golden Circle is about a bunch of secret agents who save the world. Tell me a secret of yours and don't worry. All right.
Oh.
All right. Trina, tell us your secret.
I once stole a kid's bike because I really like their bike.
All right. If you win the money, you will go buy that child a bike.
One, two.
Yep. You're getting a $1,000 Visa gift card. Monique Davis and Teresa Kilgore, come on down. Hi, you two. Hi, who are you?
My name is Monique Davis, and I'm from Carson, California.
What do you do?
I'm a full-time student at Cal State Dominguez Hills.
I'm Teresa Kilgore. I'm from Orange, California, and I work at Disneyland.
Oh, the happiest place on earth.
It is, yeah.
All right. Okay, well, here's how it works. Hidden under those umbrellas, there's a whole lot of water, but under one of them is $10,000 cash. So you're going to stand over there. I'm going to ask you a question, and the more you get right, the more chances you get to pick an umbrella. Head on over there, and you might want to take your shoes off if you like them. Okay, so your hands are going to be behind your backs, and when you think you know the answer, grab that water bottle and give me the answer. If it's not correct, your opponent can steal, and if you get it correct, you get a chance of winning some money or some water. Okay, here we go. Yesterday, I went to Costco with Michelle Obama. Last time she was here, we also went shopping at what drugstore?
CVS.
CVS is correct, Teresa. All right. Teresa, pick one.
Oh, yeah.
Stand directly under it and see which one feels like it has money. That one does not. No. Nope. That does not have money.
No.
Here we go. The Victoria's Secret fashion show was last week. Tell us a secret about yourself that you'd rather not share on national television.
I'm scared of the dark.
Sure, I'll accept that. All right.
It's too high. You can...
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Oh. I had heated it up yesterday, so. Hands behind your backs. I'm from New Orleans and I love the Saints. Which football team does my friend Drew Brees play for?
Saints.
That's right. That one?
Wait, I can't reach it. Okay.
No. Okay. You seem so surprised. All right. The new Mary Poppins movie is coming out next month. According to her, a spoonful of what helps the medicine go down?
Sugar!
That is right.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
No. Looks like there's 3 left, so that's... Here we go. Listen carefully. A greyhound can run up to 43 miles per hour. If a greyhound runs at full speed for an hour, how far will it run?
Oh!
43, 45, 43 miles?
Yes,
Yeah.
43 miles.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Because if it runs 43 miles an hour
Right, yeah,
in
it
an
took a
hour,
minute. Yeah.
it did take you a minute.
Sorry.
All right. Oh, no. It looks like there are 2 left, so it's a 50-50 shot here. Hands behind your back. In Japan, it's considered good luck if a sumo wrestler makes your baby cry. What NBC drama starring Mandy Moore makes a lot of people cry?
This Is Us.
That's right.
That one.
Yeah. It appears to be that one. Under one of these umbrellas is $10,000. Who sings the song Umbrella?
Rihanna!
Oh boy, yes, yes.
Yeah, what?
You won $10,000. Congratulations. You're not going home empty-handed. You're getting $1,000.